Hello, hi. Hello, hi. Hello, hi. Hi everyone, good morning. For today's video, we are walking going to our home. So, right now I'm taking this path, I'm taking this way to reach the terminal. So, how are you every day? How are you guys? How are you all? So early in the morning, we are walking because I love exercising. So that we could exercise, that's why we are walking. Chirping of the bird is what you can hear from this video. Also the sound of the water flowing water sound. Hindi na ta guys, mawali na taanay. So street dogs, nakakatakot. Nag-push siya dyan. I'm taking this shot. Hey, Nox. Come back. Come back. Init. Bata nagsayog na. Must leave from the house early this morning today. But I woke up late.